Hi, we're back with math today. Today we're going to do lesson 40. So now lesson 39, we're kind of skipping over. So if you want to do the pages for lesson 39, go ahead and do them. But we're going to do lesson 40 today. And then next week we're going to start with a new module. So we'll do module 5 and start working with teen numbers. So today we're going to do lesson 40. So you're going to need your lesson 40 page and a pencil and maybe some cubes, and that might be about it. So I'm going to show you some cards that have a 10 frame on them. And a 10 frame has how many dots? That's right. It has 10 dots, right? Or 10, not dots, 10 boxes. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Every 10 frame has 10 boxes. This 10 frame has how many dots in it? That's right. It has 2. So how many more dots would I need to fill the 10 frame? So how would we know how many more? That's right. We could count. We could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I would need 8 more to get to 10. We could try to subitize. So we could say, oh, we have 3 on the top. And then we know that the bottom is 5, and 5 and 3 make 8. That's another way to figure out how to see how many more dots. Okay, so we're going to play just a quick little game. I'm going to hold up the card, and I'm going to give you a second to try to figure out how many more we need to get to 10, and then I'm going to tell you the answer. Okay, are you ready? All right, so here's the first one. This is number 7. And how many more to get to 10? That's right, we need 3. I hope you said that one super fast because I bet you could subitize that one. Okay, this is 5. How many more to get to 10? That's right, it's 5, the bottom row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, how many more to get to 10? Okay, we only have 1. That means there are 9. 9 more to get to 10. I hope you're fast. Okay, let's try this one. 4. How many more until we get to 10? That's right, it's 6. 5 and 1 more makes 6. And 6 and 4 equals 10. Okay, how many more to get to 10? That's right, we need 10 more. 10 more. There are 0 dots in here, so we have to fill every box, and that would be 10. Oh, this next one's easy. You're going to say the number super fast. Are you ready? Here we go. That's right, it's 1. The number is 9, and we only need 1 more to get to 10. Okay. Oh, this one's super easy too. Okay, here we go. 0. They're all full. We don't need any more dots to get to 10, do we? So 10 plus 0 equals 10. Okay, this is the one we did earlier. See if you can remember. That's right, it's 8. We have 2. There's 8 empty. Okay. Oh, here's the flip-flop of that one. There's 8. And how many are empty? 2. Great. All right, and how many more? How many empty boxes or how many more dots? That's right, we need 7. So we have 5, 6, 7. Okay, and our last one, how many more dots to get to 10? There's the number 6, and we need a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a fun game to play with a partner because you can have them do it like a game of headbands where you put it up there, which I can't do because I can, of course, see this, but you tell them how many's missing and they have to guess what their number is. We sometimes play that one in class. Okay, so today we're going to now move to the application problem. Okay, so I'm going to read it to you. I'm going to do mine on my work mat, and you can do that too if you like, instead of doing it on the paper. Okay, it says Tim had 10 friends. So we're going to draw his friends. And I know we've talked before about when we draw, we don't always draw all the detail when we're doing it for math. When we do it for writing or reading, we want to draw the details. When we do it for math, we want to be able to just quickly show the number 10. And so we want to do it somewhat quickly, so we're not going to add eyes and legs and all the good stuff of people. Okay, so he has 10 friends. Tim had 7 oranges. Let's draw 7 oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. He wanted to give an orange to each of his friends. Does he have enough? So down here we have our oranges, and up here we have our friends. We might want to put faces because our oranges and our friends kind of look alike. So this time I might want to add a little detail so we can remember which one are the people and which one is the food, okay? So how can we tell if there are enough oranges for all of his friends? All right, so, well, we could draw lines, right? We could give this orange to this guy, and we could just draw lines until we don't have any more oranges to give. But look, I still have 3 friends. So I could draw some more oranges. How many more oranges? I had 7. But I need more oranges to get to 10. Yes, I need 3 more oranges. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to draw a line there. Because I had 7 and I needed 3 more for everybody to get an orange. Because 7 plus 3 equals 10. Yeah. Okay. So today we're going to work with trying to find the pairs to get to 10. So we do need cubes, 10 of them, okay? And we're going to try to find all the ways or all the partners to 10, the hidden partners, okay? So we're going to start by just taking 1 off. So get your cubes, press pause if you need to. And if I still have 10, they're still on my mat, right? But 1 is over here, and how many are on this side? What does 1 need to get to 10? 1 plus 9 is what it needs to get to 10. Okay? And we're going to keep track of all the ways and all the partners of 10. So our first partners are 1 and 9. Okay? All right. Now I'm going to move 1 more over. And I have 2 now. And how many? What's 2's partner to get to 10? We call it its hidden partner because we still have 10. I didn't take any off. I didn't add any more. I just moved it from one side to the other. So we have 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 and 8 are hidden partners for the number 10. Okay, we're going to move 1 over. Our partners are 1, 2, 3. We have 3 on this side. And 3 needs how many to get to 10? That's right. 3 needs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 plus 7 also makes 10. Okay, look what's happening to our numbers on the side. 1, 2, 3. Oh, because I just keep taking 1 off and adding 1 more. So now on this side, I don't have 3, I have 4. And on this side, how many does it need to get to 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 plus 6 equals 10. Okay, I'm going to keep going. Now I have 5 on this side. And we're adding. And I have how many on this side? I also have 5. So 5 and 5 are partners to make 10. Okay, now we're going to be going, and now we have 6. Can you see that? 6, and what does 6 need to get to 10? 6 needs 4. 6 and 4 is 10. Okay, we're going to move this one over. And now we have 7. And how many does 7 need to get to 10? That's right, it needs 3. 7 and 3 make 10. Okay, I'm running out of room. Okay, so we're going to add one more. Now we have 8. And how many does 8 need to get to 10? That's right, it needs 2 equals 10. And then I can just keep going. You can go ahead and keep going. You're going to move over, and then you're going to have 9 and 1. And that's right where we started. But instead of having 9 and 1, we had 1 and 9 because we were just starting. And then it kind of turned around and went the other way, didn't it? Okay, so today we are working on ways to make 10 and knowing the partners for 10. So on your paper today, you're going to fill in. It says draw dots to make 10. Fill in the number bond. So on this one, there are 9 dots. And how many more dots do we need to get to 10? That's right, we only need one more. We could count. We could say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we would write the numbers 9 and 1 in there. Okay, so it's just kind of like the game we were playing at the beginning of our session. But also you have little cards like this in your math kit that has the dots on the back of them. So just like the game we played before, you could do it with those. I have 2. How many more to get to 10? And I would have to think about how many I would need to get to 10. This is a little harder than the ones that actually have the 10 frame because you can see the empty boxes. So this one's harder, or more of a challenge than something like this. But see if you can figure out all the pairs to 10. Okay, and I will see you later.